Hello everyone, my name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. It's Wednesday, September 15th, 2021. Remember, trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Understand there are risks involved with trading. I'm going to show you the Atlas line. I'm going to show you the Trade Scalper. I'm going to take some trades. I'm going to show you exactly what you could have done today, Wednesday, September 15th. Now remember, we always have stops. We always have a specific target. We always manage the trade, so if it doesn't work out in our favor, we get out of that trade within a limited amount of time. Don't hold on to trades that are going against you. There are plenty of opportunities. Now, above the Atlas line, the blue dashed line is software. It's the Atlas line, only available at DayTradeToWin. It's proprietary software. And we have strength trades, pullback trades, and we have now a perfect strength trade setup. I want to take this trade. I'm going to show you how this is done.
Order filled.
I want to go long. I see the S's for strength. I'm long. I'm in the market. Next, what we do is look at the market conditions, how much target, how much stop. How are we going to manage this trade? Well, if you look down, that yellow line is the ATR, the average true range. Tells me that I can expect out of the market 3 points, 2 points, 2.5 points, but not 10 points. So I can actually guide myself and say, based on the current conditions, this is what I can expect from a trade like this. So there's really no guessing. You're going to take a target based on the current conditions, maybe a little bit less, a little bit more conservative, so you can actually make a good amount of profit out of this. 3 points is a good chunk of money. So I want to take this trade long because we are above the Atlas line. Those are the rules. Only trading long above the Atlas line. Strength trades, pullback trades, the main signal, bounce trades, it's all included. And once my target is hit, I'm finished. We don't re-enter. We look for the next trade. I'm actually going to switch charts and look at what's going on with the Trade Scalper. Remember, we have 1 day left before joining the next mentorship class. It's almost full, so please join up if you're interested. Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get the details. You can always call us and get the information for joining with the mentorship, because the mentorship class includes all of the software with lifetime licenses. It's a great deal for 8 weeks, and it's all recorded for you. So now I'm out of this trade.
Filled.
I want to show you the exact entries using the text and marker feature on NinjaTrader. That way you could see exactly the entries and exits, and you can do this yourself on your end when you're practicing. We want you to practice, and that's why we provide you with the charting platform, live data, so you can definitely jump in there and practice before trading live. Now let's switch to a 1 minute chart. Let's take a look at the Trade Scalper. Trade Scalper has been on fire, so I want to take a look at the signals. And now on a 1 minute chart, I have more opportunities, the most recent one being 44, 47, 75. So this is an opportunity. Earlier, before the Atlas line signal I took here to go long, I didn't take that trade, obviously. I'm waiting for the first and next Trade Scalper signal, and then I want to be done for the day. It's about 12:30 Eastern Time, New York time. All right, so here we are about 5 minutes later, 12:35. I'm starting to see a setup here, long 44.55 Trade Scalper signal long. Everybody has the Trade Scalper, has the same exact signal on their software, which is great because there's no optimization. If you're looking at the E-mini S&P, that's the signal to go long. 44.55, that's what the software provided. So I'm going long at this price, or as close as possible. I don't want to chase this market. There's something else I forgot to mention. There's a tool that most traders don't add to their charts. If you're looking at a time chart, use a bar timer or a countdown timer of some sort. So you can see there I have a bar timer which tells me exactly when each candle closes and a new candle is about to begin. So that prepares me to say, well, if I'm going to get into this trade, if I'm going to get out of this trade, the candle, whether it be a 1 minute candle or a 5 minute candle, is about to open or is about to close, and then a new one's about to open. It does prepare me for the trade. So a lot of what I teach is based on price action. Price action uses time, uses distance, uses the price itself to help me understand what to do. And that bar timer is essential for any price action trader. So I want to go long at 44.55. Here we go.
Order submitted.
All right, I submitted my order. Let's speed up this video in order to save a little bit of
Order
time.
filled.
I want the price 44.55 within a tick or two. I don't want to chase this market, obviously. If I can get a better price, that's always a better way to go. But 44.55, as the Trade Scalper software tells me, that's what I want. Now remember, we have stops and we have specific targets. So based on the ATR, whether it be 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, take a look at the current conditions always and say, I want this target based on the current conditions, because that's what the market can give me. That's achievable. And so once I hit my target, I'm finished. Very
Target
important. We don't want to
filled.
re-enter into the trade, so don't try to take the same trade twice. We have so many signals that we can wait for the next signal. It could be Trade Scalper, it could be Atlas Line, it could be Roadmap, it could be Blueprint, it could be X5, it could be at the open. So remember, everything is included with mentorship, with lifetime licenses. Class starts tomorrow. If you're interested, email us if you have any questions. I'd like to see this market go a little bit higher, just to show you that even if you got a bad fill, you could still continue to make a profit in your favor as the market goes higher. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.